Okay, hello professor. I tried to make it like this. I know it is not the formula correct way, but I'll still go with this. I tried my best to do something. So here is the total VVIP, VIP, and general ticket I just made by my way. So for example, you click any of the ticket. For example, 2D is also VVIP. So you just put 100 plus uh, 3D, for example, it should be $50 plus, and here is 5E. Also here is in general ticket price is $20. So if you do this, you calculate this, okay. For example, again, I'm gonna do this here. Here I'm gonna do this here. So 100 plus 50 plus 20. So like this. I didn't do the total things. Sorry about that. I don't have enough time. I could. I tried lot of other things, but it already demolished. But I did a simple mathematical coding, and I designed it a little tried in a different way. But I tried my best. Thank you.